bullshit, George. I am the fucking company. Dark Horse, isn't he? Why are we even doing this? Is this fucking digital PR? Ousted. Hijacked. I don't even know the word. 6 monumental years, and I've been put out to pasture. In an era of judgment akin to United signing Anthony, I'm being moved on. And then you got this guy from out of nowhere who just come waltzing in, asks for equity, and have a part of money, which is fuck off. And what's his name again?
Alan,
right. Let's have a chat about Alan. Okay, he's worked in an agency before. A good agency, a reputable one that's known. Ooh. And he was integral there, operations, processes. Probably got involved in sales and marketing and stuff like that, finance, spreadsheets, what we do. This has got out of hand. This has gone too far. This just started as a bit of vindication and possibly a cry for help. I just wanted recognition for my efforts. I just wanted a goddamn appraisal. Who gives me my appraisal? I report back to the SMT about my chat with Alan and say, you won't believe this, he wants to become our MD. Now at this point, I'm expecting them to completely back me up and say, I hope you told him to get the fuck out. Traitors. I half expected Claudia to come out with a freaking cloak and a torch. This is my company. Can you replace that emotion, that drive, with process, organisation, numbers, investment, growth, development, one-to-ones, fucking appraisals, which I don't get? We'll see, won't we? There's a storm coming. He'll probably do all right. He's a decent sort, trustworthy. He's standing on my shoulders. I've done a shit-hot job. It's hard to mess up. Welcome aboard, Alan.